Hello everyone, myself Sivakrishna. In this video, I am going to explain how we can use the continue and break activities inside the for each row in DataTable activity. And also, I am going to explain how we can iterate the DataTable using the for each activity. So let's get started. Continue activity. If we want to skip the current row processing based on the certain conditions, we can use the continue activity. Let's take in a scenario. I just wanted to display all the rows information in the log message except the rows which any of the column value showing empty. So let's see how we can implement this logic. To add the condition, we need to use the if activity. So in the condition, I am going to write an expression to verify if any of the column value is showing empty. So this is the final expression to verify if name column value is empty or salary column is empty or address column is empty. So if this condition is true, then I need to skip the row processing. So for that I am going to take continue activity. I am going to take log message to display the row details. Right, so let's click on save and let's run the process and verify the output. In the output, basically we can see all the employee details except Pawan because Pawan's salary showing empty, right? Break activity. If you want to exit the loop based on the certain condition, we can use this activity. Let's take an example. If processing rows address is Chennai, I want to exit the loop. So let's see how we can build this logic. So in the if condition, I am going to change this expression current row of address equal to Chennai. Click on save. So if this condition is true, I want to exit from the loop. So for that I am going to take break activity. So let's run the process and verify the output. So in the output panel we can see first three employee details, right? So as the fourth employee address belongs to Chennai, so the loop got break. So the remaining details were not logged in the output panel. So let's see how we can iterate the data table using the for each activity. Using the for each activity, basically we can iterate both data table rows and columns. So let's see first how we can iterate the data table rows. So here we need to pass the expression dt dot rows to iterate the data table rows. Then the argument type will automatically changes as per the input that we provided. In case if it is not reflected, then we need to change the argument type by clicking the browse for types. Then we can select the data row. Item name. So basically the processing row information is available in the current data row variable. So let's see how we can log the employee details, right? So let me take one log message. Current data row of name dot toString right. So let's click on save and run the process. All the employee details are logged, right? So let's see how we can iterate the columns using the for each activity. So here in the object we need to pass the expression as dt dot columns. So the argument type changed automatically. So the columns information is available in the current data column, right? So here I wanted to log the column name and its data type. So let me write an expression for that. Current data column dot column name column dot data type dot toString, right? So in the output we can see the column name and its data type, right? So this way we can iterate the data table using the for each activity. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.